So I made this dust buddy and it can show emotions. So what we have here is RFID chips, and when I scan one on it, it gets mad in this case. It can also be happy, which we do with this one, or sad, or even be suspicious. If it will work along with me, yeah. And also turn back to neutral, which is a possibility, and then you can set it to all the emotions you like. So this is really nice. It's really simple to make. So we have a screen in here, an RFID reader, and an Arduino, and I will show you the insides in a second. Everything is online, so I have the model available in the description, the code for the Arduino available in the description, and the schematics. I'll also upload those together with this one. So that will probably also be in the GitHub link where the code also is. So yeah, good luck making one of these, and in the next shot I will also explain what it looks like on the inside, so you can also remake it from that visual. So what's nice about this project is that we only need a few parts. We need the shell, which can be anything, but I made this one, which here has something cut out for it, which I also cut out here because I'm using an Arduino, which is quite big, so it should like fit through here. In the original model I don't have these spaces, so if you want to use something smaller you can. You still need or a battery pack to connect it, or to also make a cutout right there to fit some wires through. But yeah, so I used the Arduino Uno because that was the one I had on hand. If you don't want to and want to use something that may work better, yeah, similar, but it's just smaller, we can use this thing, which is an ESP32 Super Mini C3, which can also work really well. Yeah, I don't think that will be an issue if you use that, and you can use that with a USB-C cable. You could also use this with the Arduino cable, but we want to use this one because it's really small and can go through like the back side of this without any problems. So in this case we use the Arduino, we use the RFID reader, which is an RC522, and we have this one, which is a small screen, which I have more of because they're really nice to use and they're yeah, quite easy to assemble. So I'll show you how to assemble it, and I also have the different schedules, different layouts online, so you know which ones to connect where. Might be nice. So yeah, like that. Connected, and it's on, which is nice.